Truckers National Insurance application is pretty easy.
We can typically provide our quotes to our consumers in less than 15 minutes.
We have client connection managers who contact the client via phone, email, text, whatever the customer prefers, and they gather their basic information for the quote. And once the information is gathered, the agent begins the process of making the quote,
allowing the consumer to obtain the insurance properly, enabling them to start working and making money.
You can always save on discounts if you qualify.
Insurance also varies from trucker to trucker. We make sure to take the time to get the best and correct coverage for the type of trucking they are planning on doing. Typically, they would need a commercial auto insurance as the first step, and then other coverages may be required or necessary, like general liability insurance or business owner's insurance.
Truckers National Insurance. Simple, safe, secure.